This EcoFlow Delta 1300 charges my MacBook Pro 13-inch just fine using its Type-C output, but will it blend? Will it be able to drive the Vitamix? I'll plug it in to its back AC port. Let's take a look. Walk around just to prove to you that it's plugged in in the back, and we will power on the AC. Okay, AC on. Let's come back to the front. "90 hours. It's only drawing 13 watts of power right now. Let's crank up the Vitamix, and we are at low setting, variable, not high. Okay, just to start. Look at the power consumption, 100 watts right now. I am going to slowly increase, and you guys pay attention to the wattage. 100, okay, 200. Let me unplug, disable this, just to see the pure voltage of this Vitamix. Okay, we're at 400 watts. Full speed. Wow, that was some serious power. Yeah, so with this Delta 1300 model, we are able to power some serious kitchen appliances, and of course, not to mention all these small electronics like a MacBook Pro. Oh, I found this device very interesting, and I'll have a more extensive review later. This is just a little bit of a sneak peek into the capability of this monster. I'm not sure if you can hear this, but the fan is spinning to cool it down. Look. Okay, I'll power on the DC again to charge my MacBook Pro. I'll close it so the screen does not consume any electricity to make it more efficient. And looks like, I'm not sure. Okay, I'm sorry, I forgot to plug in the Type-C port. Okay, it's charging. Yeah, that's 40 hours, 90 hours. It's not stabilized yet. Yeah, of course, but my MacBook Pro isn't fully depleted, so this isn't a very accurate test. Right. I hope you guys enjoy this short video about this power bank and my beloved Vitamix.